Recap of Astronaut Reserve Training, Block 2, Week 5. This week we learnt all about the International Space Station onboard systems. Now you can see a model of the International Space Station just in front of me here, but we're going to take a trip around the European Astronaut Centre to find the different systems that we learnt about. Let's go. First, we had the command and data handling systems of the International Space Station. Next, the power system overview. Next, onboard networks and crew devices. And last of all, we had the ISS structures and mechanisms. So things like the truss of the International Space Station and what's on the truss, the solar panels and radiators, as well as all the different modules, and the ports where visiting vehicles can dock or berth to the International Space Station. But that's not all we did this week. I also had my fitness assessment, so making sure I'm staying in shape year on year. And we also had 3 sessions in this XR lab, extended reality lab, in virtual reality. So we got ourselves equipped and went outside the International Space Station and followed around all the different modules, learning about where exactly they are and what they do. Then we went inside the station and learned to interact with different objects and with each other, had different tasks to do. And finally, we also had our first experience of an extravehicular activity or spacewalk in VR. So we got dressed up in the EVA suit, got outside the airlock, and then had to translate around to the correct locations and do our tasks while we were out there. So all really exciting stuff. See you next week.